This is Acoustic Batt, designed for acoustic insulation of walls and floors. It's a glass mineral wool slab made from recycled glass. Using our unique bio-based binder ECOS technology, which contains no formaldehyde or added phenols. Products manufactured with ECOS technology are pleasant to touch and easy to handle. They generate low volatile organic compounds, are environmentally friendly, and are robust and durable. The product is non-combustible and has the best possible Euro Class A1 reaction to fire classification. Using advanced compression technology, the product provides the convenience of less transport, storage, handling, and carrying. Acoustic Batt is a semi-rigid slab designed for friction fitting between metal and timber studs, including drywall partitioning. Acoustic Batt are pre-cut to 600mm widths to suit standard stud centers. Therefore, there is no need to cut to correct width. This is the 100mm product. Our range offers additional thicknesses. These are the tools you need to undertake an installation using Acoustic Batt. Place the first slab in the base of the partition. Place the second slab above the first slab, ensuring joints are butted together to prevent air gaps which can allow sound to pass through. Continue until the partition is fully filled. If the partition is at an angle, measure using a ruler and then carefully cut the insulation to the correct angle using a knife. Then place the cut insulation into the partition. To see more of our product range, please visit knaufinsulation.co.za.